Hey guys, it's Justin Costello coming to you from the Boston Whaler Superstore here at MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm going to show you a boat that just came in from the boat show. Only 25 out there right now. There's 25 Outrage with black powder coating on the metal hardware with a glacier green hull. This boat looks sick. It's awesome. Black boot stripe. The black rub rail, look at this. This is just a new addition from them. You got the black insert on the rub rail with the white rub rail with the black insert. Black accents, all powder coated. Let's step aboard and I want to show you how this boat looks. It's going to be the only one out there right now with the black powder coating. Let's step on. Show you the features. It's got twin Mercury 225 4-stroke engines on the back. These are the new V6. Again, look, everything is been blacked out on the boat. This boat is located in our showroom in Pompano Beach. You can see it right in the air conditioning. It's got the outriggers, rocket launchers in black, stern seat. We've got twin live wells on this boat. So we have the extra live well option here in the transom, as well as one in the console. Nice grab handle for passengers that want to stand up while they're cruising, maybe in some rough water. Plenty of tackle drawer storage, vented seat backs. Both of them have armrests that flip down. Look at this new Marine Axiom XL 16-inch screen. Nice clean dash lines. I love the black. It just really makes this pop out, and actually it looks awesome in the sunlight as well. We work our way forward. Nice deep wide gunnels. Again, more armrests. Boston Whaler is all about comfort, safety, comfort, convenience. Great family boat. You can go fishing on it, go cruising, take it to the Bahamas, the Keys, wherever you do your boating here in South Florida. Again, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. Let's take a look. Vacuum flush toilet in here. Shower. Give me a call, 954-633-2070. It's a 2020 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage.